pan bolt just stripped, and I was going to put it on last, and I didn't put it on very tight. I mean, I just kind of snugged it up, but it did not want to come off. So I mean, I had vice grips on it, pliers on it, and it's being a fighter. So I'm gonna weld a nut on it, see if we can get it off. So we've got a turner. So as you can see, it worked. Can't imagine it's all that great for your oil. So I'd say as long as you're changing your oil, you shouldn't have a problem. But I mean, that's basically my go-to method for removing broken or stripped or seized bolts. Might not work every single time. You might have to try welding a nut on a couple of times, but you know, 99% of the time it works. So anyway, hope that can help somebody. Thanks for watching. Maybe you could say it's remanufactured. Ooh. So I'd say that's good for another 100,000.